How to get your Tesla for free with smart automotive equity investing. I'm Ilya, I'm founder of ILIMOTOR Automotive Company, and I'm going to give you the solution for getting your own car, either Tesla or from other brands, for free. We have a business model. The customers are becoming the shareholders of the company. That's all. Here you have this privilege. Now, if you want to buy your own Tesla, let's say $50,000, here at ILIMOTOR, our company, you are going to invest your money, receive the stocks of the ILIMOTOR, and beside that, ILIMOTOR is going to deliver to you the car, the Tesla, for free. But why for free? Look, the money that you are going to spend for purchasing your own Tesla will be considered as an investment at ILIMOTOR, and ILIMOTOR is going to buy the car for you and give it to you, and you are going to become the owner of that Tesla. So it's going to be considered as a gift or for free. The reason your money is still at ILIMOTOR. Look, this is exactly what we are doing at ILIMOTOR Company. So if you want to make a purchase, let's say your own car, and if you want to make it free, you have this privilege to use ILIMOTOR ownership service to invest your own money at the company, receive the stocks of the company, and let the company to deliver to you the car that you want. This is exactly what we are doing and offering to you wherever you are. You have this privilege now to make money, to build wealth while you are purchasing your own car. And by doing so, we are in fact giving you a free car. And you know the why. I've already explained. And for more information, you can book a free consultation at ILIMOTOR. You can go to ilimotor.com. On the homepage, you can put your own name, phone number, and our team will contact you for a free consultation just to help you to answer your questions and these things. And if you want to learn more, you can check our other videos. Let me know your ideas, questions in the comment section, and also watch other videos that will pop up here or here. Love you all till the next one.